Hello everyone, my name is Daniel and today I'm gonna walk you through our website FYP project for BSE StudyBuddy. So our project consists of students, lecturers and also admin to be using this website, and mainly for collaboration and working on assignment together. Plus, lecturer can publish and monitor the student activities for better cooperation. When you go into the website, we use a design 8-bit hero medieval style design and to match the video game vibe so the student will not feel bored. You can register yourself as a student or as a lecturer. And if you notice down here, we have a text box which is Sir Studios, which is going to help you just read it kind of like a guidebook to the website. So you can enter your full name, student ID, group email, and select your course, your semester for that course, and also the password. In our website, we also have admin, which I'm going to log in into right now. For admin, we have multiple modules and function for monitoring, managing, and also analytics for the student activities. The admin can do a lot of things such as manage the user, where they can suspend the user from login into their account, when they join, when they last log in, and if they are active or not, and also a minor function where the student has HP, and every time they didn't complete the assignment or did something wrong, they will reduce the HP up until reaching the threshold to get suspended. And students can also report other students for bad behavior during their collaboration or working on the same assignment in a group, and the admin can review that report and take action to it. Admin can also manage the course that has been added to the website, also adding a new program or course and the subject inside for that course. The admin also can manage the sections for each course subject, and they can enter or enroll students into the course, especially for the new student that registered into the website. They can also send a notification to individual users, student, lecturers, or they can make announcement which they can target either all the student or all the lecturers or both. For monitoring part, they can monitor each monitoring group. They can monitor each collaboration to see if they completed their collaboration or the assignment, the task progress, and also the details for each collaboration, such as who is the leader, the coder, the documentation, or member. They can also monitor the user activity, and they can view the profile, skill ratings, which is going to be explained later on. For analytics, they can view the users and which programming level they are popular for the website currently, and the most popular skills. Also, there's a function where there is an active student for this week. Activity logs is basically just all of the logins into the website for security purposes. Login history is you can monitor for each individual login into the website also for security purposes. That is all mostly for the admin in a short period of time. So now I am going to explain to you how the collaboration works. First, I'm going to log in into the lecture account. Now, the lecturer can create an assessment first, and using that assessment, they can go to the matching dashboard and create a new session, meaning that they can create a new session based on the assessment that they just created. But don't worry, I already created an assessment and also the session for the assessment, which is here, PIT AI Intelligent Agent Project for team formation. So in this class, it has 30 that has already registered. So how do you register into this session? I'm going to show you a quick showcase of the student POV on how the matching system appears on their screen. If you can see here, at the matching dashboard for student profile, the student can see the assessment or the matching session that the lecturer has created for their class, and they can register for their session. So if you can see, I can update my registration. You can select your preferred role to be inside of the team, your availability from morning till evening on weekdays, on weekend. The student can also choose their preferred partners inside the class if they already know them, or they can avoid working together with someone that they are not comfortable with or unreliable, and also adding additional skills for this project, which is optional. And in my case, the student is good in AI system design and team coordination. For my matching engine, all of this will be used as part of the attributes for the engine to work. So I'm just going to cancel back and go back to the lecture page. When we go to the matching system or the dashboard, the lecturer has already seen that 30 of his students has been registered, which is his whole class. So now he can close the registration, and this is where the magic part appears. You can run the matching algorithm and wait for a bit. So the system will automatically create teams or collaboration teams for each students, and you can view the result here, and you can see there is 30 members or students inside the class. 7 parties has been formed, and there is 4 size minimum for each team. And you can also see the average compatibility for each team. So as you can see here, we have team 1, team 2, team 3 and team 4. And for each collaboration, the AI or the matching system also provide a rationale or the reason why this form team is created. For example, we have strong skill diversity, which is the team covers agile, communication, data visualization, Excel and GitHub and other things. And the programming levels are similar. And as you can see here, everybody has been assigned to each role. So I'm just going to go and create collaboration for all the match parties. So that is mainly our website main or core module for this project. Now, the lecturer can see if the student has already submitted and grade them. So I'm gonna go back to the student inside of the class just now and go to collapse dashboard, and you can see we have the team that is already automatically being created by the lecturer and the matching engine in our project. Here all the role has been assigned according to what they choose and what the matching engine determines their role. And for this student, she wants to be a leader because she is capable of being one, so she got the title or the role leader. And for being a leader as a student inside the collaboration, you can submit the assessment, you can add the new task, you can also go to the team chat and type your message inside the team chat, so the student can view and also communicate with each other inside our website without using any external application or software such as WhatsApp or phone. So after they finish all of their tasks, which is going to be a milestone, I'm going to create a new task just to showcase you. There will be a milestone here if the task has been completed or not, and then the person who is in charge of that task can update their progress in progress, under review or completed. So if they are completed, it will update the milestone and also the individual milestone for each task. So that is basically the students modules. It also has the profile, the skills, and this is everything that has been put before they enter the website after registration, where when you registered the student, you will create a profile where you enter all of this information here. I'm going to showcase you the last thing regarding the lecture module. The last module for lecturer I'm going to showcase is they can rate the submission and also view the ratings from each student, each other. Like so, they give the score out of 100 and feedback to the student. As you can see, we have a total of 21 submissions and reviewed and also graded. That is basically all of the core module and the important part of our website in StudyBuddy, a collaboration place for students.